An easy way to add lighting to a crawl space or attic is with a smart cordless light. I installed a pop light in this crawl space. The base of the light can be permanently attached with screws or attached with double-backed tape, which is what I used. The light has an app that will turn the light on and off so you don't have to crawl or climb into a dark space. The battery is removable for charging. It has a USB-C port. A cordless light like this is easy to install. You don't need to run wiring or drill to mount the base.